Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable the pop-up blocker in Microsoft Edge on your PC. This can be useful if a website requires pop-ups to work properly. First, open Microsoft Edge, then click the three dots in the top right corner. This opens the Settings menu. From the menu, select Settings. Next, go to Privacy, Search and Services, and then choose Site Permissions. This is where you control how Edge interacts with websites. Scroll down and click Pop-ups and redirects under the All Permissions section. By default, Edge blocks pop-ups. To disable the blocker completely, toggle off the switch next to Block Recommended. This will allow pop-ups on all websites. If you only want to allow pop-ups for certain websites, click Add under Allowed Sites. Enter the website URL and click Add again. Edge will permit pop-ups just for that site. And that's it. You've successfully updated your pop-up settings in Microsoft Edge. Now you can enjoy a smoother browsing experience with the flexibility to allow pop-ups where needed. Thanks for watching.